Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here to show you this brand new 2021 all new redesigned G23 from Nautique. As you can see, it has a nice design, kind of like the Paragon. We got the gold metal flake, or the medallion metal flake I should say, with the gray. As we come on to the back here, this one is opted with the steer assist. NSS plates are a little different for 2021. They got a different swim platform and a few other features. Let's go open the boat. So as you come into the boat, you can see we did the sand interior with the gray accent. This is actually a new textured accent that they're adding to the boat, so that looks really, really cool. Still got the nice bench seat that does pop out and back. You can lift that up. We've got seating here, and then they added another seat that pops up right there. So a lot of views to see the surfing and wakeboarding. Two pairs of 8/8s up on the tower. This does have a bimini. It isn't installed yet, but it does have a bimini included. JL audio, the upgraded stereo system in here. They redid the bow a little bit, made it a little bit wider. 2021, all new redesign of the hull. Come on down to MarineMax of Rogers and take a closer look or schedule a demo. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.